In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video in Sora from a fun prompt. First, open your web browser and head to Google. You can type google.com into the address bar or use your home page if it's already set. Once you're on the familiar Google search page, click into the search box and type the word Sora. Press Enter to bring up the results. Now look for the official Sora website in the search results. Take a moment to confirm you're clicking the legitimate link by checking the URL and the short description beneath it. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're using the real tool. Go ahead and click the official Sora site to open it. When the Sora homepage loads, you should see a space to enter a prompt, often labeled something like prompt, or an input field with example text. If the page shows any welcome banners or featured content, scroll a little until you see the prompt field. Before typing, remember that prompts work best when they're clear and imaginative, and you should never include personal or sensitive information. Keep it creative, specific, and safe. Click into the prompt box and enter this exact prompt. Laundry folding. The Olympic wrinkle war of 2070. Lasers scan every crease as athletes fold faster than robots can blink. It's okay if your capitalization isn't perfect, but try to match the wording as closely as possible so you capture the same futuristic tone and details. This prompt paints a vivid scene, which helps Sora understand the style, setting, and action you're aiming for. With the prompt in place, locate the Submit button on the page and click it. After you submit, give the system a moment to process. It may show a loading indicator or progress message while it interprets your text and generates the result. Avoid refreshing the page or navigating away during this step, as that can interrupt the process. Once the generation finishes, your result should appear on the screen. At this point, you can simply view what Sora created from your prompt. If the output is different from what you had in mind, keep in mind that slight changes to wording can influence the style and pacing. Adding descriptive details like lighting, camera movement, or mood can guide future attempts. But for now, you've successfully gone from search to submission and let Sora do the rest. And that's it. You searched for Sora on Google, opened the official site, entered the creative prompt, and clicked Submit to generate your video.